सवाल ये है कि ये टैग लाइन क्या है, वाई ऑलवेज द सेम स्टोरी, इसके पीछे क्या क्या
क्या होता है ना कि अक्सर एक ही तरह की चीज़ें होती है ज़िंदगी में, फिर हम ब्लेम करते हैं कि हालात ऐसे थे, क्या करें, वी कुडंट, दिस इज़ हाउ इट हैपेंस, सच इज़ लाइफ, एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा, एंड यू फॉल प्रे to the same situation that somebody else has before you, and you become an engineer and or a doctor or an actor, but you never become who you are really, an individual, जो आप दरअसल हो. तो वही कहानी फिर एक बार हो जाती है आपके साथ भी, unless and until you take control of your life and you change that, say that मुझे नहीं मज़ा आ रहा, मैं इसको चेंज करूँगा, अपनी एंडिंग खुद बनाऊँगा, और फिर एक दूसरे तरह का तमाशा होता है.
ऐसा क्या आप नहीं करते हैं जिसकी वजह से कोई तमाशा हो जाए? अक्सर हम कहते हैं ना कि यार तमाशा ना बन जाए, तो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो आप, जिन चीज़ों का बेहद ख्याल रखते हैं.
देखिए, मेरा तो मानना है कि हम एक्टर्स हैं, हम शो बिजनेस में हैं, सो जब तमाशा होता है तो अच्छी बात होती है, गुड या बैड, बट आई थिंक एक हद होता है, आप हद को पार नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन ये एक, आई थिंक ये अच्छी चीज़ है कि ये तमाशा बना. ये मेरी दूसरी फिल्म है इम्तियाज़ के साथ, दूसरी फिल्म है साजिद भाई के साथ, मेरी तीसरी फिल्म है दीपिका के साथ, और मेरी 11वीं फिल्म है सिद्धार्थ रॉय कपूर के साथ. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू वर्क विद दिस टीम. आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर रॉकस्टार ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया, बहुत कुछ दिया, यू नो, लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस, लॉट ऑफ अवार्ड्स, लॉट ऑफ रिवॉर्ड्स, लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग. I learned a lot working with Deepika. You know, we started our second film together, बजना है हसीनो. फिर हमने जब जवानी दीवानी की थी, वो बहुत बड़ी हिट हुई थी. And I think I got to learn a lot just to see her growth as an actor. You know, क्योंकि मैं वो 5 साल के बीच we never worked together. लेकिन जब हमने वो फिल्म में काम किया, तो just to see her grow as an actor and to this extent was really heartwarming and was really encouraging and really inspiring for me. तो मेरे लिए तमाशा is very special, you know, to come with this team together, and I really hope कि you know, the people give the film a chance at the theaters and they enjoy the film.
I think it depends on each individual what they want to do. I don't think there's anything that an actor can't do. I think it depends on everything that comes with being in the limelight or with being a public figure. So can he and me do Matar Gashti in the middle of the road? Of course we can. If we want to, of course we can. But will it be convenient for, not for us, but will it be convenient for people around us? Maybe not. So I think it depends on the situation.
Deepika, firstly, I loved your the way you come into the trailer of this film. जिस तरीके से आपने डायलॉग बोले हैं वो फिरंगी को, वैसा कुछ डायलॉग अगर मतलब विदाउट सेंसर, अगर लाइव अनसेंसर्ड रियल दीपिका पादुकोण कुछ बोल के दिखाए तो मजा आ जाएगा सुनने में.
पहला चीज़ है
नहीं है, इसीलिए. दीपिका, एक बार प्लीज.
Next. Another time.
Alright, what would be that one story, you know, यहाँ पे why always the same story? What would be that one story from Ranbir and Deepika, your personal lives, जो एक बार आप फिर से दोबारा दोहराना चाहोगे?
I think the success of ये जवानी है दीवानी with this film, I think वो definitely दोहराना चाहेंगे.
Alright, Deepika?
I have to agree with him.
Sajid bhai also agrees. That's it.
Hi Deepika.
I would say the experience of Tamasha.
You want to like leave everything behind and go somewhere?
Absolutely not. Nobody wants to leave anything behind. But I think in the movie, what you see, the characters Ved and Tara, when they meet in Corsica, they decide, okay, you know, we are here for this period of time. Let's just not give our identities out, because what happens is everything becomes routine. You know, I will tell you who I am, you will tell me who you are, then this will happen, then I'll hit on you, and then finally we'll have an affair, and then you'll fall in love with me. So they just wanted to really have the time of their lives, and they wanted to do it with abandon, without any judgment, without anything. We all want to do that in our lives. You know, sometimes it's not possible, that's why we make movies about it. But I believe that whatever film Imtiaz Ali makes, he has done it in his life for sure.
Yeah, is that true?
That is true, because whenever he used to narrate a scene to me and Deepika, we always used to say, "Sir, ये आपने किया है ना life में?" Because it's so real. At the same time, it is so new. You know, like there is no sense of okay, yeah, we have heard of this, yeah, ये कहीं देखा है. That's why his dialogues, his language, his moments are very new when you see them, especially the love story side of Imtiaz Ali. So, sir, have you done this in your life? Gone and lived in abandon, called people Jhand Fakir, Suar Ki Aulad?
Sir, are you a press member?
No, sir, but this is a pressing matter and I really want to know, sir.
Thank you.
Hi Ranbir and Deepika.
Good question.
Okay, he said, okay. Is it fake? I don't think it's fake. I just think that, no, I would say that sometimes it probably comes with certain responsibilities, you know, and maybe then that's why one has to, you know, maybe that's why you have to carry yourself a certain way and be careful about what you say or not, depending on how each person decides to lead their own life. But for the people who do and realize that, you know, sometimes that it comes with a little bit of responsibility. You have the youth who looks up to you. You know, if you're role models for people, then I guess at some level, I think the most ideal case would be if you can live your life the way you want to and find the balance of being responsible and realizing that you have responsibilities towards your fans and the audience. So if you can find that balance, then nothing like it.
छोड़ो बोरिंग बातें साली, मस्त रहो जम के खाओ, ले लो पंगे चढ़ लो सूली, खोल दो बंधन घोल दो लस्सी, बोल दो किस्सा सभी जनों का दिल बहलाओ, शोर मचाओ मारो ठुमका, फेंक बिखेरू मन की चांदी, दिल का सोना आंख की मोती सब अर्पित है आपकी खातिर। हम आपके नौकर हैं मालिक, टाई पहनकर लिफ्ट में चढ़कर फिर आएंगे आपके आंगन, वही करेंगे जो रोज किया है, वो फिर से करेंगे फिर से करेंगे फिर से करेंगे। अच्छा बेटा, कभी इधर तो कभी उधर, अंदर क्या है, अंदर क्या है, कौन से रंग का दिल है तेरा, क्या चाहता है,
बोलो
बोलो,
जवाब दो,
जवाब दो।
Ranbir, do you think your characters are a bit similar to what you guys played in Ye Jawani Ye Diwani in this film?
Not at all. Not at all. Can I justify that right now? I don't know. I don't think it'll be right for me to say, oh, this is the difference between that character and this character. You'll figure that out when you watch the film. But the film itself is completely different. The characters are completely different. Everything about the film is different.
Imtiaz ji,
Ranbir
hello.
here. Ranbir towards your left. Here. Ranbir, one of the major reasons why Ye Jawani Ye Diwani was a yeah, I'm back, Deepika. Thank you. One of the major reasons why we loved Ye Jawani Ye Diwani was your pairing with Deepika Padukone, and given the fact that she has delivered a lot of blockbuster hits after that, and also with Ranbir, can we say that she will be a lucky charm this time around?
You asked me the same question.
No. That was a different one. I have.
You framed it slightly differently.
And you liked it.
First,
I did not. I gave you a very nice answer. Okay, anyway.
first of all, I think it's not fair to label anybody as a lucky charm. I think Deepika, whatever she's achieved is because of her hard work and her dedication. But yes, I hope her luck rubs out, the luck word that you're saying, rubs off on me and not mine on her. यही दुआ करता हूँ. But like I said, we're really happy with this film. We're really happy that, really proud, with this film. And do come and see it at the theatre near you.
Ranbir, if you can hear me. मेरा सवाल आपसे जब हम ट्रेलर देखते हैं कहीं ना कहीं रॉकस्टार की भी याद आती है, जिस तरह की सीन है, खास करके जब लव सीन है जहाँ डैगरबाजी हो रही है, क्या उसी तरह की इंटेंसिटी वाला लव होगा या उसकी याद दिलाएगा? और प्लीज कंटिन्यू, आंसर दिस देन आई आस्क यू अनदर
क्वेश्चन.
रॉकस्टार की इंटेंसिटी की याद दिलाए.
You forgot the question.
नहीं, बुरा लग रहा है कि आपको ऐसा लगा, क्योंकि हमने तो यही कोशिश की है कि हम एक नया किरदार प्रस्तुत करें, एक नया एक फिल्म प्रस्तुत करें. बट मैं यही अच्छी विश्वास है कि जब आप फिल्म देखोगे तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा नहीं, क्योंकि ये एक नया फिल्म है, एक नई कैरेक्टर.
ट्रेलर से मालूम पड़ता है थोड़ा बहुत कि ये प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं आपसे प्यार करते हैं लेकिन करते नहीं, शायद वही तमाशा है. Is this what the story is all about, Deepika?
I don't think
देखो
this.
सर.
Oh God, one more.
कीटाणु, किरमी दिखता नहीं है गॉड की तरह, पर होता है जरूर.
क्या बात है?
आ जाता है, क्यों आता है nobody knows. अंदर क्या है? कौन से रंग का दिल है तेरा, क्या चाहता है? बोलो, जवाब दो. अंदर क्या है? दीपिका अंदर है.
सो ऐसा है कि ये देखिए बहुत सारी कहानियां चल रही हैं. रोमियो जूलियट है, राम जी हैं, हनुमान हैं, और यहाँ सीता है, ये लैला मजनू है, सोनी महिवाल हैं. सो बहुत सारी कहानियां आपके इर्द गिर्द चलती रहती हैं और उसके बीच में आपकी खुद की कहानी होती है. तो वेद और तारा की जो कहानी है वो हमारा मेन फोकस है इस पिक्चर में, मगर बाकी दुनिया की कहानियां उनके आसपास चलती रहती हैं.
Thank you, media.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.